Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the issue I was talking about the other time, that this road will be unpassable if nothing serious is done when the rainy season starts. You can see what is happening here. The road is actually unpassable just after a little rain. You can see. Government should do something about this road. Government should help us. It's too bad. This place cannot be passed by any driver. The tankers, the trailers, the buses, the keke, no one can pass, because the construction work is going on here, and there is no alternative route. The Ministry of Work, the governor, and all the people involved should do something about this place. It's too bad.